So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a project from an open source project to the ones that you're going to use. So step number one, we're going to find an open source project. I have a problem of signing documents whenever I'm going to meetings. So I'm creating a software solution whereby if we are talking about sensitive data, we need to sign NDAs, we need to sign contracts on the go. So I'm creating a software whereby stakeholders and the people who meet up, they can sign, they can have it written on paper. You can have this device for signing. So it's your signing pad and that pen for signing. And automatically, you just send them the link, everybody attaches it, the people who are present. If it's an NDA, you send the link to everyone. Now, once everyone has that link, or they can sign it, or you can attach that document in your computer, and at the same time, you can attach it to that signing pad. Once you have it signing, once you're able to sign, it will go to that document and it will be a binding document, a legal document, because people are not there for you. So be smart, hands on NDAs, contracts, and things like that if you know your value, and so that's how you approach such a thing. And yeah, we can do it. Let's do it. So I've got my project here called Open Sign. It's mainly for signing, free and open source to sign. Alternative if you're use DocuSign to sign contracts and documents. That's the technology that you're looking for. And the features are secure PDF e-signing with the help of robust encryption algorithms. OpenSign ensures maximum security. You can annotate documents. You can allow you to edit documents on that software. It's user-friendly. Multi-signer support. It's able to invite others using the sharing of links. And we have the email unique code OTP verification for guest signers. So guest signers have that extra security feature if they're signing, but we are not going to use that. We don't need it. Why? Number one, they'll be present over there. And number two, that's just a long process. Yes, it's secure, but once they sign, it's going to a binding document whereby you'll send that document to them. So there's no need for that because we already have the contact information and we have all the legal and privacy secure ways of doing it. So going on, there are expiring docs and rejections. You can set documents to expire. So that's a good thing depending on the contract that you're creating. And if there's any rejections, so that they can receive the feedback back on their end. We have beautiful email templates. So most of the emails that most businesses have, they are poor and they need customers. So we need to have like a good way of presenting that data to the end user so that they can take us seriously. PDF template creation. You can create PDFs on the go. OpenSign Drive. It's a digital vault, but we're going to use our own free database to do it. Then we have audit trails and completion certificates. Now, this is very, very key when it comes to debugging and you want to, if you want to, like you don't have bugs, this is how you catch bugs real time. Because whenever you build a software, there's so much little details that you must put in. You must remove all the bugs. You can't remove all the bugs per se, but you can maximize on building something that runs on its own without breaking down. So we also have API support. Now that's the feature that we want. We want API support and the devices to sign. We can integrate it to CRMs, and that's the beauty about this. And so we can interact with this data seamlessly. We can also create a bot to send these people the documents after signing and things like that. So it's an interesting project. I'm going to show you how you can do this by going to Node. I suggest you pay the $20. It's worth. You create a new project and you're going to create these. What are we going to call it? We are going to call it. I don't have a good name, but let's call it secure sign. It's a good name, I don't know. But yeah, now we're going to go to this repository for OpenSign. You have GitHub, of course. I'm going to teach you today how you can still open source projects and use it for your own projects. So now I'm going to GitHub an open source project, look for the problem that you're trying to solve, and now we are going to recreate this. OpenSign is a project whereby people use to sign documents, and I've not seen anyone implementing it for documents here. Most of the documents just you can sign online, but they look bad. And if you want to look professional, you must have that signing part whereby you can really sign really well. And we're going to use this architecture to brand ourselves, and we're going to use it to create NDAs and contracts which are signed by both parties during meetings and anytime stuff. So we're going to steal this OpenSign. We're going to copy it. We're going to clone. You add it from GitHub. You add the URL, and just like that, you have the project here. As you can see, it's 74%. This is huge. So I'm just going to click it all, or I'm going to go in here and see what's exactly making it up. So what you can see, 76% of our capacity has been used, but that's good. You can add the files. And I want us to transcribe. Mainly, I use AI Studio to transcribe. So AI Studio. So whatever we are prompting, we're going to transcribe it so that we just air out whatever we want to create. Then we improve on that. Then once you improve on whatever we want to create, we are talking to it. Imagine you're talking or you're explaining your idea to someone first, then you put in the idea, say it, talk whatever on all the features that you want in that system. Then you're going to use Claude to refine whatever the idea that you want. You bounce your idea and see if it's valid and it's solving a real world problem. And next, we are going to do what? To create this. I want us to create a clone whereby we have all our documents, and let's say for example an NDA and a contract. We have the template, and that template we can recreate it over and over again using variables, and those variables we can use docxtemplate, the library for inserting words into the document. Once you have that, we have another section which will be automatically created depending with the number of signatories that we are going to have in that document. We can have a table of up to 20 people, and we can also ensure that we put them in an extra page if there's so many. But if we have like 5 of them at the bottom and all the signatures can be signed, we can have it to be awesome. And also that document, the signatures that are going to be signed in our external device, and also using the software that OpenSign allows, we are going to use that software to insert the signatures inside that docxtemplate word template, and we create also maybe even in PDFs the signatures can be resized so that they can fit in specific sections of the signatures. And if people are many, we can always send them the link so that they put in their names. And also, once they put in their names from that link, it will be redirected back to DocuSign. Not DocuSign, it will be redirected back to our software. From that link, they can either click the link and put in their name, then they say that they were present, and also I can have it also in our backend to see how many people were in that meeting and how many people signed. So it's a software that keeps track of the meetings we are going to, and the NDAs that we sign, the contracts, and we can create like a little CRM for managing the deals that we have. And yes, we want to use these open source tools and help me brainstorm more on these ideas so that we can make it awesome. So right now I'm adding that whole idea to this software. This is Google AI Studio. We're going to be now using Gemini Pro 3 preview. We just choose it. Then next we are going to do this in such a way that we are going to ask it to improve our prompt, and like it can make a project proposal for us that's solving the real world problem. And I want it to list the features. So we're going to just write exactly that. I want you to be the idea validator. Create the project proposal and show us why this is important, and have its details, and ensure you also give me all the flows of this tool. Sign. It will also have a page for the link. It will be simple, just tell us. Then create it fully and ensure all the technologies are there. Okay, we just hit enter. It will do some research on Google. It will analyze our audio. It will come up with documents. So we're going to wait for it to complete doing that. Then we continue. Let's just go through it as it generates. Here, validation and project proposal. So the project name is going to be called AutoSign CRM, codename signature stream. No, tunaiita gsign. The validator verdict status ni highly viable. Why it works? The gap. Most e-signature platforms, DocuSign, charge per envelope. If you have a meeting with 20 people requiring an NDA, that gets expensive very fast. They also like specific attendance to contract workflow. Number 2, the pain point is manually typing 20 names into a contract template. Is error prone and slow. Having people scan a QR code to check in, and auto-populating the contract is a massive UX improvement. Then the tech stack, docxtemplate is for reverse logic based document generation, and OpenSign is a mature open source alternative to commercial signing tools. Combining them creates a proprietary workflow that currently doesn't exist in a single free tool. Now we're going to have the key value propositions. Dynamic formatting, zero entry compliance, cost efficient. It's 100% open source, so you're not spending money to create a lot. So this one will just have the AI for sending documents and replying to customer support queries. That's the use of the AI, but you must solve the real world problem first. Part 2, user flow. Let's take this example: the admin setup pre-meeting. We upload a template. The admin uploads a docx file or a docxtemplate. It has the variables. We create a meeting, and we generate a link whereby we share it on WhatsApp. We send it to the clients who are there present in the meeting, and we ask them to just put their name. And later on, they can have the option of revisiting that link, and they can like we can generate a QR code whereby they can scan and get the link, and afterwards also they can share their mobile number, something like that. But Now, once they scan, we'll text them with that link. That makes it easier. All right. So that link, how will they get that link? They need to scan something. I don't know. I want to make it as easy as possible. Then the document generation engine, we have the admin clicks, generate contract, logic check, check like how many people saying they were present. It would say 18 people. Then we have the signing of the document. We have dispatch PDF is sent to OpenSign container via API. Then routing option A, which is remote emails sent to all attendees with signing links. Option B, in a room, admin passes a tablet around the app, redirects to the signing URL of user 1, then 2, then 3. That's a good one. So we follow a queue. Number 1 is so and so, and assign. Number 2 is so and so, and assign. Number 3 is so and so, and assign. Number 4 is so and so, and assign. But now we have that physical device in at hand. So tunawapatia tu number 2 assign. Ina connect tena kwa number 3 and number 4 pia assign. Number 4 pia anachukua assign. Number 5 it will be an easy system and very variables tool for those kamiwa. So product requirements PRD. We have our PRD ready. And the next step is to set up a Docker environment, get OpenSign and Gutenberg running locally, create the Word template, conditional, whatever, then build the front. Let's go back to Claude. We have OpenSign already attached. I've forgotten we're going to create design. And we're going to say, this step by step. I want us to stop because we're not specified a lot of things. I want you, I've forgotten something, so we're going to stop this simple. Use evolution type for WhatsApp messaging. I want us to let's use specified a lot of things. I want you to be simple. Use evolution as a database and ensure that this messaging is simple. Also come up with WhatsApp as a database and ensure that this thing is simple and talk about resource with income options. Use plus I did that. So this because I'm also just let it have the resource, and I think I'm missing something. Make it simple, like they add variables. So this it has also just let it have link creation. I think I'm missing something. Make it simple. Then like they add sign selection, three variables. Then link creation, finally then sign selection, click and like, finally sorry, I keep on repeating. Right, the project structure. Schema and launch project spend. Now we're going to give the whole of this into Claude. This is just the idea generator and validator. So we're going to get from there. Let's go back to Claude. We have OpenSign already attached. Then we're going to create design, and we're going to say this step by step. So the review document will explain it better. Dead simple contract automation with WhatsApp. We upload a Word template with variables, name, email, blah blah blah, with the meeting, the date, and things like that. Then we create a meeting link, QR code or URL. Then we share it. Then attendees scan and fill their information. After they scan, they fill in their information. They say who they are. Then they generate contractor. Generate contract with both signatures. Then it sends everyone to WhatsApp to sign, or we just pass the tablet in the room and that signing pad to the room as they sign. Then once done, everyone signs. You download the final PDF. Tech stack, definitely we're going to be using Next.js 16. Next.js for the backend routes. We have the database Superbase, which is Postgre, auth, and storage. We have documents, docexemplar, and Gutenberg for PDF. We have WhatsApp Evolution API. And finally, we have signing for OpenSign, and we have an AI WhatsApp bot with function calling. The project structure, as I told it before, to keep it simple: the app, API, dashboard, check-in, the page, This is the auto sign. Then the template features, what's up? So, do you see this project that you're generating? What are we generating? We're generating a software content that is a SaaS. It's called AutoSign CRM, but tunaita G-Sign, whereby it helps business people sign for NDAs whenever they go to meetings, and also for contract signing. We can send these signature URLs to people's WhatsApp. They can just scan, then they'll receive those whatever. They'll receive the code in their phone with the link to add their name, like to show they are in attendance. So once they're in attendance, we will have our own signing parts whereby people can sign if we are meeting physically. If we're meeting virtually, you'll just have to sign with your mouse. The problem that you're solving is just these. We need a fast way to sign these NDAs very quickly, very fast. It's very tiresome, and some people actually forget. So we want a system where it remembers the meeting that you had when we signed the NDA. Then it automatically sends those NDAs. If you are even 20 people, it will send the links to all the 20 people to sign. If you have a problem with documents, it will send those documents of all the people who have signed and who are in attendance at that meeting. They have signed, and it will send it to your WhatsApp and email. Next, we are going to have features whereby we have to like create templates for different scenarios. This thing, you can use it to create contracts for employees, contracts between you and your suppliers, contracts between like business to business, and such a tool is quite useful if you're willing to protect yourself. So we'll have 3 different comparisons today. For this software, we want to build it with Gemini, V0, and Lovable, and I want us to compare the different results and how we actually achieve the results of this software. And we'll also see Claude. Claude is the one generating for us the complete PRD, the product requirements document. We're going to have the technical architecture of the system, which is the system design and flows, the API specifications, where our data and how our data is moving. And also we have the project structure, the complete structure, every single file that is needed for this project.